I'm Agent J from MF4 Real Estate Corporation, an in-house lead broker of Philippines Land. Tara, samahan niyo ako, mag-walk tour tayo sa Manais Township located in Teresa, Rizal. So tara, puntahan natin yung mga house model namin for viewing here in Manais Township.
Right now mga kabahay, you're looking at two of our house model unit for Manais Township, the Vernice and the Nasa house model. And sa kabilang side naman, ito po yung aming site manning area for Manais. This is the 50-meter long arc bridge located in Manais Township.
Puntahan natin yung Newfields Phase 1 and Phase 2. Newfields is a subdivision inside Manais Township.
So let's go mga kabahay. So mga 500 meters po from the main entrance ng Manais ang layo ng Newfields and Futuro Plains. So nag-stop tayo panandali mga kabahay para bigyan ko kayo ng 360 degrees view of Manais Township from the middle ng access road. So the terrain is mostly flat po. So let's start again our drive tour to Newfields mga kabahay. Pero bago tayo pumasok niya Newfields, puntahan muna natin ang mga commercial lots na available.
Nasa harapan ko na yung main gate ng Newfields, pero bago tayo pumasok, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung mga commercial lots na available near the main gate ng Newfields.
Good news mga kabahay for those na naghahanap ng commercial lots here in Manais Township in Teresa, Rizal, may nag-open na po. Ang typical lot cut is around 244 square meter. So yung nakita nyo mga kabahay, yan po yung available. Ang isa sa pinakamalaking cut na sa 340 square meter. And pagtawid naman po ng main gate, dyan po located yung other 9 lots pa na available. 244 po ang typical lot cut.
Sa Phase 2 po matatagpuan yung mga latest inventory namin na house and lot package and residential lot only.
And we have a modern looking main entrance for Newfields mga kabahay.
So left and right, ito po yung Vernice and ito naman po ang Denesa model house and lot. Tara mga kabahay, pasyalan natin ang amenity area ng Newfields Phase 1 and Phase 2.
So ito na po yung central amenity area ng Newfields Phase 1 and Phase 2. So ito po yung basketball court. Puntahan natin yung multipurpose hall. And this is our multipurpose hall kung saan pwede ito gamitin ng mga homeowners for their special occasions. And sa kabila naman ang ating adult and kiddie pool. Tara, mag-ikot po tayo. Puntahan natin yung children's play area. Yan ang ating basketball court mga kabahay. Ang ganda. Tara, let's walk to the children's play area. So yan ang ating children's play area. And ito naman po yung shower room for male and female.
So yan mga kabahay, nakita nyo na yung central amenity area ng Newfields Phase 1 and Phase 2. So tara, mag-walk tour tayo banda dito sa may park.
Let's start our walk tour mga kabahay. This place is malapit lang sa central amenity area sa Phase 1. So yung mga available dito is Vernice and the Nasa model. So kung mapapansin nyo, very organized po ang Newfields Phase 1. So yan, may mga nag-expand na ng kanilang mga bahay. Ang ganda po, di ba?
So for Phase 2 mga kabahay, ongoing ang ating land development. Tara, samahan niyo ako, pasyalan natin ang Phase 2.
So this is the main entrance ng Phase 2 mga kabahay. So yan, ang status ngayon, January 2025. May mga under construction ng mga house and lot package na Amber model unit. And dito naman banda ang location ng ating house model unit. Tara, puntahan po natin.
So tara mga kabahay, puntahan natin yung house model namin for viewing here in Phase 2.
So this is our Amber duplex house model mga kabahay. So yung floor area po nito is around 43 square meter. Ang lot area naman or typical lot cut is nasa 90 square meter. So, meron tayong provision for 2BR. Kanina nakita nyo yung CR, ay yung kitchen, and ito naman po yung second floor. So again mga kabahay, yung ating Amber duplex is bare finish. So the reason for that is because para yung owner o yung buyer magkaroon sila ng freedom na i-modify or i-design ang unit sa gusto nila.
If you want to know more about the project, please contact me on my CP number at 092970563363. Thank you for watching. God bless and bye.